Good morning, this is David Rizzo with Rogers Gardens, and today I'm going to talk to you about cool season tomatoes. Now is the time to start looking at planting your cool season tomatoes. The main difference between the cool season varieties and your main season varieties, the cool season varieties can set in cooler temperatures and they're earlier maturing. Most of your cool season varieties are bush varieties or determinate. They don't get as tall. When I'm planting some of my cool season varieties, I'm using Malibu compost as my soil amendment. If I'm doing them in a container, I'll use the Malibu potting soil. And one of my fertilizers that I love using is the All-Purpose by Down to Earth. Some of my other favorite fertilizers include Malibu compost tea. This is actually a tea bag that you steep in water, and I use this every 2 weeks, and the plants really take up the nutrients of this very quick. Some of my other favorite fertilizers include the Grow Cashy. The Grow Cashy really does help the soil life and really get the soil active with life, especially beneficial bacteria, beneficial fungus. This one was a really good one this year that I really had good success with against verticillium and wilt and fusarium wilt. One of my other favorite nutrients that I like using is EM1. EM1 is a really good probiotic. I usually use 1 to 2 ounces in a 5-gallon bucket of water, and then water in about every 2 to 3 weeks with the Malibu compost tea. The benefits for growing cool season tomatoes are they're easy to grow and you get a good harvest before winter. Thank you for joining me today. This is David from Rogers Gardens. Rogers Gardens brings beauty into your home and garden.